Accessories have the incredible power to transform any outfit. In my eyes, you can either wear an outfit or you can style an outfit. There is a big difference between the two, and accessories play a huge role in helping you actually style outfits. Since I've become a mum, I have actually worked really hard in finding simple accessories that I can use to help elevate my casual everyday outfits. So in today's video, I want to share with you 7 of my favorite accessories at the moment that help elevate my outfits and have become a huge part of my personal style. Okay, let's get started. So we're going to start with something that I feel like no one ever talks about, and that is socks. The socks that I've worked into my personal style, which help bring an element of sportiness and like a cool vibe, are actually white ribbed socks that are like mid-ankle socks. I particularly love wearing them with trainers and shorts, but I also can wear them peeking out from under trousers as well. The key is that they're ribbed. They can't be like a plain white fabric with no texture. In my eyes, I just don't think it will give that same effect. Okay, so number 2 is my Akubra hat. This has been a personal favorite of mine the past couple of years. It is one of the easiest ways to elevate a very simple outfit. I think it has like an element of confidence and charm about it, and I do have to be in the right mood to wear it, but when I do, I feel really good and kind of at ease with myself and my style. Something about it just gives me a good vibe, and it's one of my favorite accessories at the moment, and it's so easy to throw on when I'm in a rush. So number 3 is my link bracelet. I think a link bracelet is a timeless accessory, and it's another accessory that is really easy to throw on. It's very simple, but it really helps to finish off styling an outfit. I love mine from Monica Vinader. It's really easy for me to put on and off, which is very important when it comes to bracelets for me. I don't want to be asking anyone to help me put them on, and I'm always reaching for this one when I'm in a rush, if I'm going out somewhere, like out for drinks or out for a family lunch or to a birthday party or something like that. It kind of looks like I've made an effort when I really haven't. So my 4th accessory that I'm loving at the moment, and have been for a while, is my chain side bag. I love that this is so versatile and can be worn in 2 different ways, because the chain can actually be pulled through. It can be worn as a short bag or a long bag. And this one's been my favorite for a couple of years. I actually got this one secondhand off Facebook Marketplace. So the next accessory I want to talk about is chunky trainers. Chunky trainers have been all around for a while now in all different shapes and forms. They're really bold and eye-catching, and I think they're the perfect way to really add a little bit of a spice to a very basic outfit. I love wearing chunky trainers with an everyday casual outfit because it's a huge juxtaposition. When you wear something like tailored trousers or a dress with sports trainers, it isn't the norm, and that's what's called juxtaposition, pairing contrasting items together. And juxtaposition is used in art and poetry to create some sort of intrigue. So that's what it can kind of do for your outfit as well. And I think that's why I love personally mixing like contrasting pieces together. A lot of people have something against wearing like tennis shoes or sneakers with your everyday outfits, because I hear a lot of it in the comment section. So that's why I wanted to bring this up. And I'm not saying that everyone has to agree with it, because you should only wear it if it makes sense to you and if it is good for your personal style. But I just wanted to explain the idea behind juxtaposition and why it does work. The idea is that these items don't really belong together, and that's why it's quite intriguing. So another way that you can create juxtaposition in your outfits is to maybe perhaps mix masculine with feminine. This is done so much nowadays in modern dressing, and I love this kind of dressing as well. So picture like a long slip silk dress with kind of like a boxy blazer on top. That's mixing feminine with masculine, and that's a juxtaposition as well, and it's quite intriguing and quite different, and that's why it works. Okay, next item is my diamond necklace. So I'm actually wearing this one today. I have been wearing this for over a month and I haven't taken it off. It goes swimming with me in the shower. I sleep in it. It's really grown on me. There's a few reasons why I love it, and I'll explain why. My one is like a simple pendant from Monica Vinader. It's an ethically sourced diamond, and it's on a gold chain. Whenever I get up in the morning and I put on an outfit, my necklace is there and it's ready to go, and it just works with everything. And I look at myself in the mirror and I go, oh, like it looks good. I'm ready to go. And it's such like a lazy, easy way of just looking a bit nicer, having that little pendant around your neck when you really haven't made much effort at all. It's such a small, delicate stone, and I think it's such a great reminder that there is so much beauty found in simplicity. I also really love this for an everyday necklace because the diamond is actually in place. It's not dangling from the chain. It is right there, placed in the middle of the chain, and it's not going anywhere. So it never turns around and shows the clasp clasp. It is just always sitting perfectly around my neck and there's no faff about it. And I think that's why I've just really enjoyed wearing it on an everyday basis, because I don't have to worry about it and what it's looking like. The next accessory I want to talk about is the simple, humble claw clip. Yes, bit of a random one, but like one of these things in your hair. I've been loving it recently, and yeah, it's pretty simple and basic, but it is such an easy way to once again add something to your outfit and make you look like you've tried a little bit when you haven't. It's just something different to like your everyday hair elastic. So I'd love to know, leave in the comments below what your favorite accessory is at the moment and what you use to help kind of elevate your outfits right now. Next week, I'm going to be styling my trench coat in multiple ways. I'm going to be shopping my wardrobe to create these outfits. So if you're interested in seeing that, make sure you subscribe and stick around. If you're still watching, the best way that you can support me right now is by liking this video. That is really good for the YouTube algorithm and for my future growth. So I appreciate that so much. I'm very grateful for you watching today. Don't forget to spread kindness this week, and I'll see you in my next video.